Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we will move further with our main project, robot project. So one important thing is I just undo some settings and I just add ears and head separately because I thought that after adding the materials and textures we should join these parts before rigging. So it's your approach. You can join these as well if you are comfortable, but it's always better to keep these separate before texturing. After texturing we can actually join these sections, and that's absolutely normal. So now we'll just move further, and for some reason this eye section is not, vertex is not good here, so that is due to equal vertices here, but here we have some extra vertex. Okay, so that's why. Anyhow, we will just keep it like this, and now we'll just move further to create our neck section. If we go to side view, you can see we have this type of neck, and I will just hide the head and ear so that we can see our neck in a proper way. And you can see this is the neck, and nothing special with the neck. We can create this type of neck with the cylinder. So let's create a cylinder. Shift A, mesh, and a cylinder. We'll just go to front view. We'll just go to edit mode. We'll just move it here, and we'll just scale it to the small size as per our need. So I think like this. Okay, I will also enable the head so that we can see that where is our cylinder. And if we go to side view, if we go to wireframe mode, you can see that we have this type of effect here. So for that purpose, we'll just initially select the cylinder. We'll just move the cylinder right here, and also we'll scale it to y-axis, or anyhow we'll scale it like this. So rescale it a little bit more, and we'll just move it here, scale it very little. Okay, that's good. And I will just move it here, the bottom side, and the upper side we'll just keep it here. And here you can see that we have the extra extrusion here. So for that type of extrusion, we can just select E and Z, and we'll just move it like this. Okay, and now we can scale it. So scale it to y-axis if we want to do so, and by scaling it, and we can just move it as well like this. Okay, so it's up to you that you can follow this approach, or you can create some vertices and you can join the vertices as well. So it's up to you. So we'll just press EZ again, and we'll just scale it to y-axis, and then we'll just bring it here maybe. Okay, here maybe, and then again EZ to something like this. Okay, let's add it here, and now we will just go to shaded view to check it out, and you can see very nice neck here. So we'll select everything. I will just bring it here, and you can see everything is fine. So we'll just bring it back, and we'll just add it, modify subdivision surface, and you can see this type of impact. So we'll just increase these loops, these levels. We'll just go back in edit mode, and we'll just create a loop here to this side, a loop here as well, a loop here, and one loop we need to this corner. And now you can see that it will be quite good and smooth. We can right click and shade smooth, and now if we apply this, you can see we have a very nice head and the neck. Yeah, that's good. And now we will move further to create other parts of the robot.